Put it together, anong pangalan natin?
Maven.
Maven. Amuin nung sinihan, you're eating popcorn.
Yung
And I really will miss you.
Namimiss namin kayo.
Hello mga bayanis, my name is Benjamin Alves and I play the role of young Manuel Quezon.
At ako naman po si Aaron Villaflor and I play the character of Joven Hernando.
And today we'll be asking questions about our approaches and mga favorite memories natin bilang young Manuel and young
Joven.
Yes. And you put it together, anong pangalan natin?
Maven.
Maven. Alright, ako mauna. Aaron, who is Joven to you?
Si Joven, isa siyang representante ng mga kabataan, no? At siya ang sinisimbolo ng pag-asa ng mga kabataan.
Wow. Okay.
Magaling ba?
Seryoso na naman.
O ikaw naman, Quezon. Ano naman si Quezon sa'yo?
Sa akin, outside of yung kung sino si Manuel Quezon sa buong Pilipinas, for me, personally, playing the role of Quezon is culmination, kumbaga. I first started playing Quezon, first year ko rin sa showbiz, bilang mas bata ako sa'yo. Ikaw ang senior ko. So yeah, 10 years,
Sige, aminado na.
10 years ko siyang ginampanan.
Kumbaga, napamahal ka na rin.
Oh yeah, mas
At,
nakilala mo.
Mas nakilala mo yung character
At
ni
basta,
Quezon.
yung journey na yun, lahat ng, even bilang aktor, na mas nag-mature ka at mas may nabigay ka, especially for this film. So, how did you prepare for your role in Quezon?
It's a trilogy movie, no? So, coming from General Luna, going to Goyo, then last movie is Quezon. Technically, Joven is 16 years old during that time. So, I have to adjust my voice. I just went back to my young voice.
Okay.
That will fit on that age, no? Doon sa age ni Joven. And I'm glad na nabigyan naman natin ng justice, no?
Mas magandang mamatay sa digmaan
Kesa tanggapin ang pamumuno ng dayuhan. Ikaw, anong naging mannerism mo naman para sa iyong character? Na sa tingin mong madalas mong ginagawa?
Siguro ngayon yung pag si Quezon kasi parang nagtuturo, may stance siya sa shoulders na may conviction lagi. So, feeling ko nadadala ko na yun. And then, yun nga, how I wish na in another role or another project na magamit ko pa yung accent na yun.
Tsaka hindi ba masakit leg mo, Benj?
But,
Kasi lagi ganito
masakit.
Kasi lagi parang naka-flex lagi yung leg ni Quezon.
Sa character na Ben, ano yung ina-admire mo sa kanya?
Well, he's very patriotic. That's one thing. He's very consistent. His reserve. Well, nung una pa lang ganun ito eh. Diba? Lagi lang he's very observant with so many things. Para siyang superhero. Nabaril na siya, nahulog na siya sa bangin. Pero
sabi ni Gerald, hindi ka mamamatay.
Hindi pwede. Hindi pwede mamatay si Joven.
Hindi pwede mamatay. Siya nga yung boses ng tao. Paano mamamatay yun?
Yes. At ang boses ng kabataan.
Yeah. Paano mamamatay yun?
So, ikaw naman, as Quezon, Benj, anong ina-admire mo playing the character of Quezon?
For me, having read yung autobiography niya and having read the script, he's cunning. Sobra.
Oo.
He knows how to play.
Mahusay siya, no?
Parang chess yung ginagawa. Siya yung naglalaro ng chess eh.
Parang,
so, he knows everyone's moves. He knows
everything.
And he knows he's two steps ahead of...
He has an eye for everything.
He's always two steps ahead. And for them to write that in the script, na makaka-relate ka without spoon-feeding it, ang galing. Sa tingin mo, bakit mahalaga na ginawa natin itong after so many years and after a long hiatus na pandemic, bakit mahalaga natapos natin itong trilogy na to?
Una-una, isang dagdag kaalaman ito para sa lahat. No? Gaya ko, hindi lahat alam ko kay Quezon. So, laking pasasalamat ko na nagkaroon tayong pelikula at natuloy itong pelikula na ito para malinawan lahat ng mga tao na kung ano nga ba talaga yung nangyari nung mga panahon niya, sino nga ba yung mga taong nakasama niya, nakahalubilo niya, sino nga ba yung mga taong importante sa buhay niya.
I think it's also important now na dahil may mga pelikula tayong ganito, especially the last 3 movies na we see our political figures and our presidents in a different light. Kumbaga, tao pala itong mga to.
Yes.
They have a life behind what we see na like nagsispeeches or mga videos. So I think the viewers and the audience get to question. Now, kung may if there's somebody that they admire, now they can say, there is a person to this. Hindi lang siya isang icon or...
And the fact na having a Filipino and local material, kailangan natin supportahan ng pelikulang Pilipino, no?
Speaking of, yun nga, bakit nga dapat manood ang tao sa Quezon? Because sa sinihan, especially sa sinihan. Only in cinemas. Yeah.
Dapat sa sinihan.
Yeah.
Dahil sa sinihan lang po namin ipapalabas ito.
I think it's important because when they wrote the script and then when they went into production and we're shooting the film, every time we say it na pag meron tayong after every scene na sabi mo, ang ganda nito pag napanood natin sa sinihan. We never said na ang ganda nito pag napanood natin sa bahay. Iba talaga pag nasa sinihan, yung amoy nung sinihan, you're eating popcorn.
Yung vibe na you're watching it with random
it's
tips,
an experience, especially for the Gen Zs now when they're looking for experiences. This really is an experience.
Ang sarap kasing, alam mo yun, makita yung pelikula.
Yeah.
Especially sound quality, effects.
Yeah, we didn't make a film so that you can watch it in a small device. We made the film to watch it in a big screen.
Yes, in a big screen talaga. Pang sinihan talaga tong pelikulang ito. Kaya abangan ninyo lahat ito sa sinihan.
In cinemas. And I guess that wraps up our actors on actors spiel. So, Joven, I will miss you, man. I really will miss you.
Mamimiss namin. Mamimiss namin kayo.
Sana meron tayong spin-off. But you know what? If there's another...
10 years, bro. Kung isipin mo kasi.
If there's another movie, even if we're not a part of it, I think we'll always be watching it.
Oo naman.
I wonder who's next. I wonder who is the next...
who knows? Medyo hindi natin alam. Wala tayong idea, no? Pero
feeling ko nandun pa rin si Joven.
Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyo. At muli, inibitahan po namin kayo ni Quezon na panoorin ng Quezon itong darating na October 15.
Exclusively in cinemas.
Kita-kits!
Put it together, anong pangalan natin?
Maven.
Amoy nung sinihan, you're eating popcorn. And I really will miss you.
Mamimiss namin kayo.